$15,055 in sales in one day. Yep, this was yesterday. That was only 320 sales at $47 each. So that's 320 people who purchased something for $47, and the sales keep coming. Now that's from Stripe, but what about Warrior Plus? Last month, my income was $91,000 from Warrior Plus. And let's talk about this. A $4,697 payment, and that's one lump sum payment. And then a $5,697 payment. These are upfront advanced payments that come in a couple times a week for services that my team overseas will fulfill. The only really bummer here is that I need to pay accountants to add everything up. You know, they're going to deduct my internet expenses, phone expenses, and then I've got to pay taxes. But at over $1 million a year, these are problems most Americans wish they had, right? Now, when you think about it, this is a relatively very small percentage of internet users. There are 4.4 billion internet users. So at over $1 million a year, I'm really small potatoes when you think about it. But since it's so easy, the growth is substantial. No boss, no long hours, no clients telling you what to do, no upfront investments needed. It's just one easy strategy. So what am I doing now? I'm looking for partners. I'm looking to scale this up, so what I'm going to do is leave a link in the description box of this video, and all you need to do is click on that link and apply. You'll also learn the strategy right away. Let's make this year one for the history books and get started ASAP. What do you say?